baby, this glue is holding this lace down. It's holding me down. It's holding this lace down. And I have never had a hold like this from a lace glue. Alright, y'all, so welcome back to Vines. Here we go, getting right into the review. You guys are going to be seeing the clip right here of anything I'm talking about because I want to make this a 2-in-1. I didn't want to do a part 1, part 2. I know a lot of y'all would have got annoyed by that. So, and a lot of y'all like, bro, we don't care about you. You're not popping just yet. So I'm like, alright, let me just do a 2-in-1 special. And just have it to where you guys can see the install as I'm talking about it, and you guys can get the full review. So let's get right into it. This glue, y'all, as y'all see by the intro, this glue is, let me tell you all the different things I've seen about this glue, and I'm going to read what's on the back of the glue if I can, because it is kind of small. No, it is really small, but that's because I got the 0.7 ounce one. And at first I was like, when I got it, I was like, this is too small for me, like, and then I was thought about it like, well, I'm sampling it, but I already expected it to be fire, that's why, but I am sampling it, and it's only $11, so when you think about it, if you was to double the size of this, it'd be like $22, if you got 2 of these, and that'd be like the regular size of like a Bold Hole, Ghost Bond, Galaxy Girl, Beautiful Hunter, Late Melt, Lace Melt, you know, whatever. I'm just throwing names out there because these are companies or things I'm going to try. So I was like thinking about the size, but the size I have no problem with because you get what you pay for. It was only $11, and you're not getting no lace glue at $11 regular size. So this is just like for personal because I still have a lot in here, but once I start using this on my clients, I'm gonna need more than this. So anyways, get into it. Directions. They had the directions on here. I'm trying to read the ingredients for y'all. I'm not all up in the camera because I'm trying to. And don't say nothing about my eyelash. Don't come for me in the comments because I'm coming to your page and I'm coming for you. I'm just kidding. But okay, look. Trying to read this and it says polyacylic acid, water, and NOMIONICK. Listen, I'm putting them all right here. What it says it has in this, and this is not what you normally see in lace glues. The smell of this lace glue is so different from normal lace glues. It smells different. I've smelled this smell before, and I'm trying to figure out where. I don't know, but it's an adhesive that is meant for fabric. I feel like when Ericka thought about this, she was like, I need a lace glue that's going to be meant for lace exactly, like meant for lace to mesh and peanut butter and jelly type ish. I feel like that's what she was thinking when she made this, okay? Because this is perfect for lace. Like it's like a lace best friend. A lot of other glues turn white. They you know, like they don't match. They be like school glue and they be gooey and peeling. This lace glue don't do that. It dries really fast, as you guys can see in the clip. It dries really fast as you're applying your layers onto your head. Not too fast to where it's like, oh, it's going to dry up. But sometimes I have the habit on myself of putting layers and leaving certain areas like too much glue in one area. I have that habit sometimes. So, therefore, I have to go back and like, I be brushing it in. Your layer can be just a little over thick and it will still dry just right. It doesn't get clumpy from what I've seen in my experience. It's very lightweight. What are some other good things I've seen? Oh, as soon as you lay this lace onto your your lace onto the glue, it's holding it down. Like it's not going nowhere. Like I had put it on there and I just did this. Like, and I say like 10 seconds later, I was over here like this, like pulling at it, and it was not moving at all. Like it was already like stuck. It was already on there, like shoot. So I feel like her chemical components she used, ingredients for this lace glue is perfect and dead on. I feel like she dedicated it towards lace. You know, being a good mesh for lace and being water or resistant to certain things like Nairobi mousse, because I did my baby hairs and didn't have to worry about my lace lifting. I've never really had to worry about my lace lifting per se, but when you put the Nairobi mousse on, sometimes you can see like the mousse going through the lace and it looked like as if it's wanting to lift or going to lift, but I never really have to worry about that. But when I put this on, I was just confident. Like I didn't have to worry at all about it lifting at all. So I feel like she went in to make sure that her lace glue is dedicated to things that we struggle with as people doing hair, things she probably seen as a person doing hair or just personally doing your hair, and she went in and said, these are the things I want to target. I want to target no lifting in the water. I am going to do the water test, you guys. I'm going to wait. I was supposed to go to Mexico this weekend, but I'm not because it's raining. Therefore, I was going to do the water test there, but I'm going to just do it a whole nother time. Probably like in 2-3 more days, I'll do the water test. But yeah, I feel like she just dedicated to make sure it doesn't lift for water. It doesn't, you know, like mesh all nasty and gooey. It melts really good with lace. It's a good combination with melting lace because any type of fabric has a lace that's meant for it. Any type of material has a lace that's meant for it. You know, like when you're doing plywood and you want to bind it to like a China hut or something, there's a certain type of glue that's good for plywood. And I feel like for lace material, she went in and said, what is a good glue for lace material? I feel like that's what she did, and she perfected it. It doesn't smell weird. It smells different from most lace glues. I mean, all the lace glues I've tried so far, it smells different. So that's how you know it is different. It melted right in. I didn't have to worry about any whiteness. So, you know, if y'all trying to see reviews on it, this is my review on it. I didn't have to worry about any white residue at all. Anything lifting, I didn't have to worry about it. So, this is the results. This unit is from our hair collection. It is the Exotic Wave. It's not curly, but at the same time, it's not just regular wavy. So, I like this one. It's very easy to flat iron. If you guys want to see like a flat iron type of test or just, you know, seeing it flat iron, let me know. As you guys can see, when I was pressing it out, it got really straight. Like at the roots, it got really straight as I was pressing it out. So, thank you guys for watching. Stay divine. Go ahead and tune in to the next clip that's coming up right after this on the things you need to make sure your lace is melted, slayed, and your install is slayed. Thank you guys for watching. Stay divine. I don't think I missed anything. You know, if you guys, there's other reviews on this, and she's very thorough on her page about it. So if I miss anything, you guys can see. I'm just here to let you guys know it works. I'll be back to do a water test in a couple of days.